So I have everyone at this question. Read the question carefully first of all. A particle is subjected to two simple harmonic motion. X1 is equal to root 7 5t. One more motion is x2 is equal to 2 root 7 5t plus pi by 3. What is x? X is the displacement, t is the time in second. The maximum acceleration of the particle is x multiply 10 to the power minus 2 meter per second square. Now actually they are asking the value of this x. It's very easy question like first of all draw the phasor diagram of these two harmonic motion. Simple like vector it is like root 7 5t. Like how will you draw? It will be like this. First of all draw x or y like this. How will you draw like this? This is root 7 5t. This is 2 root 7 5t plus pi by 3. This is 5t. This is 5t plus pi by 3. The angle is what? Angle between the two vectors is pi by 3. And this is what? 5t plus pi by 3. Now apply parallelogram law of vector addition and find the resultant of these two SHM. Will be like this. Complete the parallelogram. Draw two parallel vectors. This is pi by 3. This is also pi by 3. Draw a perpendicular. Clear? Now see. This is root 7. This is 2 root 7. And this is how much? 2 root 7 cos 60. And this is 2 root 7 sin 60. So resultant of these two SHM will be SHM. Resultant of this will be given by the diagonal vector like this. This is the amplitude of resultant SHM of individual SHM. See, x1, x2 are SHM. SHM equation. And resultant of SHM is also SHM. Its amplitude will be, let us suppose this is A. So A will be what? Under root A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. So A is under root 7 square plus 2 root 7 B square plus 2AB cos 60. Cos 60 is half. Here. So it will be what? 7 2 to the 4, 4 into 7. This is 2 to cancel. 2 into 7. Here. If you take 7 common, it will be 7 into 7. So comes out to be 7 centimeter. So amplitude comes out to be 7 centimeter. Understood? So any particle which is subjected to two simple harmonic motion, then he will move in the resultant SHM direction. He will move what? He will also move like, he will also displace. Okay. So particle is subjected to simple harmonic motion x1 and x2. We will find the resultant of these two. That is also SHM, and particle is like undergoing SHM. That particle is subjected to simple harmonic motion. So we will find resultant, and particle is undergoing that SHM, resultant SHM. Clear? So we need to find the maximum acceleration of the particle. Clear? Who is doing actually SHM? The particle. Particle is doing SHM about mean position. Now two simple harmonic motions, the particle is subjected. So we will find the resultant of these two. Particle is undergoing that resultant. Okay. So we got A. Next is we need to find the direction also. So let us suppose this angle is alpha. So how to find this alpha? Tan alpha will be perpendicular by base. So if you take this triangle OAB, so it will be perpendicular by base. AB by base. Here say this is Q, OQ plus QB. So AB is 2 root sin 60 means sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So it will be root 7 multiply root 3. Clear? OQ is root 7 plus 2 root 7 cos 60. Cos 60 is half. It will be root 7. So it comes out to be root 3 by 2. This alpha comes out to be root tan inverse root 3 by, clear? So how much angle it is being formed? The x-axis will be, if you write the SHM equation for this particle, it will be what? X is equal to A, that is 7 centimeter, sine 5t plus alpha. So it comes out to be 7 sine alpha is what? Tan inverse root 3 by 2. Okay. Next, what actually they are asking, what is the acceleration? Now, if you differentiate this once, dx by dt, if you do, it will be sine will be cos 5t plus, I am taking alpha only. And inside if you do, that is 5, comes out to be 35 cos 5t plus alpha. You got velocity 35 cos 5t plus alpha. Now again you differentiate, you will get the acceleration. It will be what? Cos will be minus sine 5t plus alpha, and 5t will be 5. It comes out to be 175. Is it so? Yes. Minus 175 sine 5t plus alpha. Here that is the acceleration. Minus 175 sine. So maximum acceleration will be when it is maximum. So it is actually, this is a maximum. Okay. 175, what is written here, it is a maximum value. Yeah. So in terms of what they are asking, the value of x. So if you compare the maximum acceleration of the particle is x multiplied 10 to the power minus 2 meter per second square. Okay. So this is actually 175. The unit is centimeter. If you convert, it will be like this. Minus 175. Clear? It will be what? X or what? Sine 5t plus alpha. You let it be, okay? We need to find the maximum acceleration, let it be, okay? 5t plus alpha. You can write centimeter into meter like this. 10 to the power minus 2 meter. Okay? By the way, it will be like, unit will be, it is not like 175 is the amplitude centimeter. So I'm writing that only. Okay? So it will be minus 175 multiply 10 to the power minus 2. And if you write in a better way, let's don't write meter. Otherwise, you will just write this like this. Now it is more. Okay? Here, I can write like this. Now this amplitude is in meter. So maximum amplitude will be 175 multiply 10 to the power minus 2. So in the question they have mentioned x multiply 10 to the power minus 2. So x will be in meter. This is also meter. This is also meter. So x will be 175. That is the answer. Clear? So it's a simple question like single particle is subjected to simple harmonic motion. Maybe 3 also. So always find the resultant SHM, equation of resultant SHM, because particle is always move in the direction of resultant. So we need to find the resultant. Okay. So finally, we got the answer 175. Thank you so much. I hope this doubt is clear. Still you have doubt, you can ask me. Clear?